Hello, today I want to take you to Mathari. We are going to visit the hill farm whereby we are going to see how to process the coffee from this Mount Kenya area. So this is the pruning and preparation for the next season, whereby the tree they've already started to give the new beans. But that's not ours today. I just want to take you through this hill farm and to see the process of making coffee. This is one of the best coffee in the area. The farm is got about 4,000 acres in total, whereas more than 800 acres is planted coffee. So this is the large scale agriculture. So join with me now. We are going to the laboratory and see together how to do the things. So after picking the coffee, then you pass through the process of peeling the beans through water as they are doing here. Then when they are pure, they are dried, and then they are brought here for grading accordingly. So after grading, and then the thing are taken to be measured to know how much. Yeah, then it's taken to the roasting machine, and this machine you pour it on top like this. It takes 1 kilo each time, and then it's going to be subjected under hot temperatures for some minutes, rotating each time so that to make evenly results for each beans. You see, this is the temperature that is supposed to be inside this machine. Yeah, you leave it for some times. Depend those who like it to be very cooked, to be dark. There's those who want it to be mild, and those who want to be not dark, the colors. So it all depends on the consumer. So now after coming out of the roasting machine, it is cooled over this machine, and then it's left to be connected through this bucket. And then when it's collected, it's ready for grinding. Yeah, so you collect it all, then you put into the grinder machine, and this is the simplest machine. It just blends the beans into flour, which is already coffee, and then you see there are some particles which normally they come together with the blended coffee. So there is a blower that you pass through, then it clears the particles to just leave it as dark as the coffee you want. Then the coffee is ready to be consumed. This one is ready to be consumed, but after here, they normally take this coffee to the packets according to the grade of the coffee. They pack the sacks and you'll be ready for sale. You see, so I'll show you the package of this product,
and inside the drum,
which is pure coffee, no other ingredient, no another ingredient added. It's very pure. You see, here it's been dry from this machine. At the same time, when it dries, then if ever there are some particles, they are going to be thrown away, those which are not needed in case maybe when the time of filling they are there, they remain. So normally if they remain something, then they are blown out by strong fan that are inside this machine. So only pure coffee that is harvested from this machine. You see?
Moyo wangu Bwana wakupa sifa, niwapona huzuni Bwana wanifariji, ninapokata tamaa wanipa tumaini, niwapona huzuni Bwana wanifariji, ninapokata tamaa wanipa tumaini, sioni mwingine aliye kama wewe.
Yeah, so this is the talk. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe as I'm bringing you a lot of news from different parts of the world. You can share, you can give us also your experience in case you are a coffee dealer, wherever you are. Yeah, thank you for watching. Until next time.
Na sababu ya kuimba wema wako, niwapona huzuni Bwana wanifariji, ninapokata tamaa wanipa tumaini, niwapona huzuni Bwana wanifariji, ninapokata tamaa wanipa tumaini,
Upward to allow the green beans to come inside. You can see beans rolling inside. That's a drum, and inside the drum it's very hot because we are using
Only dark. You
no,
don't want
no.
below.
We do dark roast, we do medium roast. We also do French beans, French roast for those who prefer that. Because at the end of the day, we are not limit our
Client.
what we prefer, what we feel like. So beans come over here. So we call this one our digestive container. We allow it to stay like 8 hours to 12 hours before we can be able to commence our grinding process. Yeah. Yeah. Ulete ingine tuweke juu. Umeweka? Oh, bana. Yeah. So it's much faster, unlike the roaster machine.
Okay.
Once we've done the grinding, we put our content in these bags. That as our orders which have been forwarded to Mary, she's able to produce that. And once we're dispatching them to various destinations where our clients come from. Yeah. So you can really imagine all from the handling process to offer an extra opportunity
Yes.
of employment to our
Youth.
neighborhood.
Yeah.